Class 10, Chapter 6, Triangles, Module 2 Continuation. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about criteria for similarity of triangles. Listen carefully, students. Last class we had discussed different criteria for similarity of triangles. Now, the related problems. In this figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Second one, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Now, you need to consider that two triangles first. That is in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. First condition, angle ABC equal to angle AMP is 90 degree. Second condition, angle A is common for both two angles, that is both two triangles. That is in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle A is common. So using A criteria, that two triangles are similar. So if two triangles are similar, we can write the sides proportion. That is what CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. That is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now the second question. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, show that first condition CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Second condition, triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Third condition, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. Now consider the triangles ABC and FEG. Triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG, it is given. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle EGF. Why? Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Since DC and GH are the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF. EGH. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to twice of angle ACD, which is equal to twice of angle BCD. And angle EGF is equal to twice of angle FGH and twice of angle HGE. Therefore, angle ACD equal to angle FGH and angle DCB equal to angle HGE. Put equation number 1. Also, angle A is equal to angle F and angle B is equal to angle E. Now, in triangle ACD and FGH, angle A is equal to angle F, first condition. Now, angle ACD equal to angle FGH, we proved above. So, using A criteria, triangle ACD similar to triangle FGH. Now, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. We need to prove that. So from that first one and that second one, We proved that what? CD by GH, since that two triangles are similar, CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. That is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now in triangle DCB and HGE, angle B is equal to angle E. Now angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. That is what half of it, since it is bisected. So using A criteria, that two triangles DCB similar to triangle HGE. So the criteria is A criteria. So which are the angles you need to consider? That only you want to find out. Now listen carefully the next one. These are simple one. In given figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Now listen carefully. Given condition AB equal to AC, that is isosceles triangle. So if two sides are equal, we know what its opposite angles are equal. That is angle B is equal to angle C. Equation number 1. Now in triangle ABD and ECF, angle B is equal to angle C. First condition. Now angle ADB equal to angle EFC is 90 degree. So using A criteria, that two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Next one, side AB and BC and median AD of the triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now given what? AB, BC and AD, median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to the sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. That is AB by PQ is equal to what? BC by QR. Listen, the sides proportion AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now we need to prove our triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. For that first condition, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to what? The median AD by PM. Okay, now D is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of QR. Okay, implies triangle ABD similar to triangle PQF. Using which one? SSS congruence rule. Therefore, angle ABD equal to angle PQF, since that two triangles are similar. So, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Implies angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. That is ABD, when you extend it ABC, equal to what? Angle PQR. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. First condition. And next one, angle ABC equal to angle PQR. So from that two equations we can conclude what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by SAS congruence criteria. Okay. Now the next question. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now listen, in triangle ADC and BAC. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC. That condition is given. Now, angle C is common for both two triangles. By A criteria, that two triangles are similar triangles. Now we can write the sides proportion. AD by BA is equal to DC by AC is equal to AC by BC. Implies DC by AC is equal to AC by BC. That last two. Now cross multiply. AC into AC become what? AC square, or CA square is equal to opposite BC into DC, which is equal to what? CB into CD. Clear? Now next one question, sixth one, somewhat difficult like that. Now listen carefully. Sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Same type of that above fourth question. Now listen carefully. First you need to draw the separate one. Figure. Here you need to solve what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now you need to consider that two triangle ABC and PQR. AD is the median of triangle ABC. PM is the median of triangle PQR. So the sides are in the same proportion. So AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Put equation number 1. To solve triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, we need to prove what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. For that proof, let us extend AD to the point E such that AD equal to DE and PM up to the point L such that PM is equal to ML. Join B to E, C to E and Q to L and R to L. We know that median is the bisector of the opposite side. Hence BD equal to DC and AD equal to BDE. By construction, AD equal to, this what? AD equal, by construction we extend it. Hence in quadrilateral ABC, diagonals AE and BC bisect each other at the point D. Therefore, ABEC is a parallelogram. Therefore, AC equal to BE, AC equal to BE and AB equal to AC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Similarly, we can prove that what? PQLR is a parallelogram. So, PR is equal to QL, then PQ is equal to LR, opposite sides of the parallelogram. Now, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Okay. Now, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is, instead of that what? BE by QL. BE by QL is equal to AD by PM. Now AB by PQ is equal to BE by QL is equal to twice of AD by 2 PM. Implies AB by PQ is equal to BE by QL is equal to 2 and 2 are cancelled. At last what we get? AE by PL. So AD by PM is there. It's same as what? AE by PL. As given, AD is equal to DE, AE is equal to AD plus DE, and AD plus DE is same as what? AD. When we extend it, twice of AD, and PM is equal to ML. PL is equal to PM plus ML is equal to PM plus PM is equal to twice of PM. Therefore, triangle ABE similar to triangle PQL by SSS similarity criteria. Then we know that corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Angle BAE equal to angle QPL. Similarly, we can prove that triangle AEC similar to triangle PLR. We know that the corresponding angles of a similar triangle are equal. Angle CAE is equal to angle RPL. Put equation number 5. Adding equation number 4 and equation number 5, we get angle BAE plus angle CAE is equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL, which is equal to angle CAB plus angle RPQ. Put equation number 6. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Now angle ACAB is equal to angle RPQ from question number 6. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. Now listen, somewhat difficult question this one. Make it 1 or 2 times, you just revise it. Okay. Now the next question, simple one. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So height of the pole AB is equal to 6 meter. Length of the shadow of the pole BC 4 meter. Length of the shadow of the tower EF is equal to 28 meter. Now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, each 90 degree. Both 90 degree as both vertical to the ground. Angle C is equal to angle F. Same elevation in both the cases as both shadow are cast at the same time. So same angle itself. Okay. Now triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity criteria. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of the sides are proportional. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Substitute all that. 6 by D is equal to 4 by 28. So DE is equal to 6 into 7. That is what? 28 by 4 is equal to 7. 6 into 7 is equal to 42 meter. Hence the height of that tower is 42 meter. Now the last question. If AD and PM are medians of the triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to PM by AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Now listen carefully this figure. Consider the triangles ABC and triangle PQR. AD and PM being the medians from vertex A and P respectively. Given triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, we need to prove what AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Now it is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So we can write the sides of the proportion, same proportion. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Now from the side ratio property, so that two triangles are similar. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Now BC equal to twice of BD, QR is equal to twice of QM. So since D, M being the midpoints of the side BC and QR respectively. Next, AB by PQ is equal to twice of BD by twice of QM, which is equal to AC by PR. Now, AB by PQ is equal to 2 and 2 are cancelled. BD by QM is equal to AC by PR. Now, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. And angle B is equal to angle Q. So, we can conclude what? That two triangles ABD and PQM are similar using SAS criteria. Okay.